Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Hyundai i10's infotainment system? You're not alone. These are common issues, often software related. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without data loss. If that doesn't work, check your fuses to ensure they're intact and providing proper voltage, 12-volt DC. Next, make sure your volume and audio settings haven't been accidentally muted or adjusted. If you still have problems, determine if your model is eligible for over-the-air OTA software updates via the BlueLink app. Many software bugs causing these issues were addressed by Hyundai via OTA updates beginning in 2023 for compatible models. The majority of issues stem from software, not hardware. This will address most problems. If a soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. This forces a full system reboot. Ensure you have any radio codes needed after a full reset. For persistent problems, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. U codes indicate infotainment faults. If your i10 is a 2018-2020 model, check for any recall notices related to infotainment firmware. Keeping your system updated and avoiding extreme temperatures are preventive measures. Hyundai's integration of AI-driven diagnostics may alert you to potential problems via the app. User-generated tutorials on platforms like YouTube can provide DIY reset solutions, but remember that professional scans are recommended for recurring issues, as DIY attempts can void warranties if mishandled.